light spills across the hood like it's trying to say something good. The tires hum a tired prayer to towns that don't know I'm there. Coffee rings on a crumpled map. Every mile feels like a gap between who I am and who I was before this road started feeling like love. I'm a long-distance truck driver missing home, with a heart that never learned to roam. I'll chase the dark till the morning breaks, trade birthdays for interstate. Every mile's a note I owe to a life I left but still call home. There's a diner light outside Tucumcari, smells like grease and being sorry. The waitress calls me hun like she means it. For a minute I almost believe it. Your voice lives in the dash radio, fades in and out as the signal goes. I say your name when the road gets thin, like you might ride shotgun again. I'm a long-distance truck driver missing home, counting cracks in the backbone stone of a country wide enough to hide everything I feel inside. I keep rolling, but I know every mile's cooling me from home. I could fold these highways small, put them back where they belong. I'd lay them down at your front door and swear I wouldn't leave no more. But the engine starts, the mighty grieves. This road still has a hold on me. I'm a long-distance truck driver missing home, sleeping where the cold stars roam. A heart freight, a hard time, my heart blame. Every town feels almost the same. I keep driving soft and slow, like maybe the road will let me go. When the porch light finally finds my eyes, I'll park this rig and let the silence ride. Till then I hum these worn out tones, a long way gone, still missing home.